And look at this wreck. This is a bad wreck. Look at this. Look at this. That caused it right there, that train. That Lionel train right there. This is a bad wreck. Look at this. Look at this. This didn't even have anything to do with it, and this went off track. This thing.
Oh no, there's a runaway car coming.
Oh no, a runaway car.
Sure.
A runaway car. It's coming. It's gonna be here in a little while. Oh man, did you see that? That just went right off the track because that runaway car from this train was bad. Well, that's it for right now.